Hi, my name is Alan Peck. My background is coming from the surgical device industry, and there I worked as a team builder and engaging in relationships with surgeons to help patient outcomes. How that translates to Valenta and the value proposition for me was really to continue to leverage those relationships and the vertical market and the expertise that I've grown to know over the last 20 years and really help those individuals going further and being even better at what they're doing through the services that Valenta offers. Valenta allows me to speak to like-minded people looking to take that next step in their career, to learn what it means to be an entrepreneur, to improve their work-life balance, to think about things maybe they haven't thought about before. And that's really the value of what we do. My real excitement comes when you bring somebody into something, you develop them, and you see that be incredibly successful. What I'm most excited about with Valenta is the fact that we're just getting started here in the United States. We have product specialists and managing partner specialists in many different vertical markets. We have the flexibility and the agility to customize our solutions for almost any vertical market, and I've done that very successfully with some of my partners as well. So thanks for joining us, and thanks for learning more about Valenta.